Hi everyone, so for today I'm going to teach you on how to set up Paperspace. So when you go to paperspace.com, you will see these two buttons here asking you to sign in or to sign up for free. And if you don't have an account yet, then you have to choose sign up free, or if you have an account already, then you have to choose sign in. When signing up, you can choose whether to sign up with email or you can choose to sign up with Google, right? So you can choose to sign up with Google. So this is my account. And then upon signing up, so you will see this since I already have an account. But upon signing up and you don't have an account already or a machine or anything on it, then you will see this space or this page. And then you will see welcome to Gradient, but you have to disregard this one because you don't actually need it. So you have to go to core or virtual servers because you will set up a virtual computer. And then when you go to core, you will see this page saying get started with machine. So you have to create a machine. When you are going to create a machine, the first thing that you have to do is to choose for the best location, right? So it could be a location where you are near, like for example, East Coast. So you're just going to choose between these three, by the way. And then after choosing the location, you have to choose the machine type. So you have to choose the air machine because it's the appropriate use for the stores. And then we have to go to the machine information. So you can choose the storage first, and then you can add the machines here or remove machines, depends on you. And then you have to unclick this one because when you click start immediately, then it means that you will be automatically charged when you sign up. And for auto shutdown features, you have to choose 8 hours and then disregard public IP. And that's basically it. Alright, you can assign your users or the VAs there. But basically, when you're done with everything, you can just add your payment method and then add card and create your workspace. So it's as easy as that. But let's go to the machines first. When you already have a machine, you will see here all the machines that you have created. Right, so I can't create a machine right now, but yeah, you will see that all the machines you have created here, then you can launch them. Let's say I've already created a machine, then I can click that machine that is under the machines section and then launch it. And then if you're going to create a team, you have to go to this drop down button here and then choose manage teams. So you can create a new team or you can switch to the teams that you have created already. And yeah, let's try to create a new one. So let's say the team name is A for P. And then the new namespace is, let's say, Andy. Okay. When you click create a new team, you will see that it will automatically appear here. Oh, hold on. Oh, I don't know what's happening right now. But A for okay. Right. So as you can see, after creating a machine, you will see the machine here. Or the team, rather. You will see the team here. So when you click when you click that one, and when you go to member section, you can actually invite a user here. But what's easier to do is to just get the login of the Paperspace account and give that to your VA, so you don't need to assign or to invite the VA on your Paperspace. And that's basically it. If you have questions on how to set up your Paperspace account, feel free to reach us out. Bye bye.